While studying the promotion of a company, you will come across two terms, that is preliminary contracts and provisional contracts. So don't get confused. Let's understand the difference between the two types of contracts. Preliminary contracts are those contracts entered by the promoters with the third parties on behalf of the company. These are known as pre-incorporation contracts because these are such contracts signed by the or entered by the promoters which are entered before the company comes into existence, before the incorporation of the company. So they are also known as pre-incorporation contracts. They are not legally binding on the company because company is not yet into the existence. Promoters personally remain liable for these types of contracts. So these are preliminary contracts. Now what are provisional contracts? Contracts signed after incorporation but before obtaining the certificate of commencement of the business. Incorporation is the second stage and commencement is the fourth stage. So in between the incorporation stage and commencement stage, whatever contracts are signed, these are known as the provisional contracts. These are enforceable only after the company gets the certificate of commencement of business. So don't get confused. This is the difference between the preliminary and the provisional contracts. Now, as explained earlier, that promoter is that person, that party, that group of people or that company who conceives the business idea and carries out all the formalities for bringing the company into existence. Now, what is the actual position of a promoter? Promoter is personally liable for all the contracts entered by him. They are neither the agents nor the trustees of the company. Instead, they enjoy the fiduciary relationship. Now, what does this fiduciary relationship mean? It means that promoters cannot make up any secret profit. Everything is to be disclosed, and this secret profit is not to be done at the expense of the company. So, this is the actual position of the promoter. Thank you.